In this video, I'm going to show you how to find or reset your YouTube TV password if you've forgotten it. Unfortunately, YouTube TV doesn't provide a way to view your existing password for security reasons, but resetting it is a simple process. Start by going to the YouTube TV login page and clicking on the Forgot Password link below the sign-in box. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. After entering your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from YouTube or Google. If you don't see it right away, check your spam folder just in case. Once you've located the email, click the link inside to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. If you're already logged into your account but want to update your password, go to your Google account settings. Since YouTube TV uses Google accounts, navigate to Security and select Password. From there, you can update it without needing the old one. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you find or reset your YouTube TV password, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.